Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to MCBOSS Cover live stream. Today is Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025, 9:21 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Um, Market is doing better right now. It's been I think it was red earlier. A lot of stocks are still red. But Nasdaq's up 0.27, Dow's up 0.14, S&P is up 0.23. Nasdaq volume is a little bit higher, surprisingly, up 2%. NYSE volume is down. So generally, holiday season we see lower volume as people take off for the holiday. But the market has been quite doing well lately. We also got the GDP number came out, which is a lot stronger than expected. Let me see here. Yeah, so GP third quarter grew 4.3%, stronger than the 3.2% estimate, right? So really high numbers here. Um, Durable good orders fell more than expected, down 2.2% versus expected 1.5% decline. Um, However, excluding transportation orders rose 0.2% in October and above the 0.1% estimate. So yeah, so the market started off a little bit shaky. Let's go to the index right away here. It is trying to bounce back right now. So we are still trading very above the all the short-term moving average, like the red line, 50-day, 10-day, and 21-day. So it's holding, but the concern here is still this upper channel line, and we have the bottom channel line as well, right? This create a pendant formation, which means we can't just stuck between these two range here. And right now we're slowly coming back to this upper channel line. We don't know if this gonna, go through this line or whether it will eventually come back down, right? So that's something that looks like time will tell, and it's probably just gonna be stuck in between this range until sometime in the new year. But you again go to intraday chart, we can see there's a nice bounce this morning and look like it tested yesterday's low as well. So at least from that perspective, it looks short term looks good, right? And we're trading near the day's high right now. So again, very good. So we got tested at the lows and we are trading near the highs of the day. So it looks really good right now. SPY, look at SPY. SPY actually makes newer high today already. So that's even better. So SPY, let's look at the daily chart. So this one is getting closer and closer to the previous high, right? So that looks really good. Go to Dow. Dow is bouncing as well. Again, trading very tight. Also bouncing from this morning low. And again, very similar to Nasdaq, like test the low here almost. And we've been bouncing since. So again, trading near the day's high. That looks really good. So we'll see if that continues throughout the day. And finally, we have Russell. So Russell actually not looking as strong. It already fell below the yesterday's low, and the bounce is kind of not getting enough traction, and now it's kind of stuck on the upper downtrend line here. So we'll have to see what happens next here. Let's go to daily chart. You can see it's not as strong as the other three index, and we're near the short-term moving average 10-day here. So yesterday was a really good day for Russell, but Russell was leading the charge, but today is lagging all the other index. So yeah, not that good right now. Yeah. So Okay, let's jump to stocks on the move. There's really not much movement today, which is not a good thing because many stocks are red. Um, Personally, I'm not seeing a big drop, at least on the stocks I'm owning. But they're down. It's just not down a lot, right? So today looks like a give back day from the last few days of gains. So that's not a bad thing, right? I mean, that's market doesn't go up every day, so giving back a day and not that much is a good thing, right? So again, growth stocks are not really showing much strength today. But let's go to my list here because I have a more comprehensive list. So let's go to the tech first. We have CN and Google here. Let's take a quick look where they're at. Here we see CN bouncing really strong right now, getting close to previous high already. That's quite amazing how fast it bounced. Here's Google. Google finally, again, it's been correcting, pulling back, and now it's starting to bounce here. So that looks pretty good. Um, let's keep going here. Let's look at Nvidia here. Nvidia, wow, look at this. This is actually trying to clear the red line 50-day moving average there. So that looks really good. Let's take a look at Palantir as well. This one, we clear this resistance level, nice cup with handle. Today is holding tight, so it's not a bad day. Like it's giving back very little after the last 2 days of gains. We have SanDisk here. Looks like it's also trying to bounce back. And we have Tower Semiconductor here, also trying to bounce back right now. So yesterday it was quite a reversal, but today it was able to make a newer high this morning. So that is also good news for this bounce here. But yeah, so that looks okay. Didn't see too much on the retail side. On the industrial, we have, let's see, CNX here in the metal processing. So a lot of the metals are doing well, anything metal related. So this is Century Aluminum, making a huge move today. Um, Another strong group, Aerospace Defense, but this one is Albert Systems. And look at this, making new high right now, really strong. Let's go down to health. I only see one stock making a move today, SNDX. This one making new high this morning, Syndex Pharmaceutical. Yeah, so sorry, Aura Minerals is still going here. Let me see. We also have some coal stocks doing well. This is AMR. This one is near new high. It's holding pretty tight. The other one, HCC. This one's also near new high. We have SGML. This is lithium. This one, okay, it make new high this morning. It's reversed so far. SQM. This is chemicals, agriculture, fertilizer really, and here's making new high here. So again, a lot of the commodities are doing well here. On the financial side, yeah, that's a lot of them are in the Russell, the regional bank, but Citigroup, the big bank, is still moving. Look at this volume here. Like, there's just so much support. Um, yeah, doing really well. The bank's money center are doing really well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. The volume again, volume was starting to come up this morning, but we'll see how the day progress. If it, if the Russell can bounce as well, that'll be nice. But But the other three indexes still looking pretty good though. So they're all green right now. Volume's high on Nasdaq as well, but NYSE volume's really low. But yeah, again, if Russell can come back up, that will show the strength of you know. But it doesn't look like it right now. But other than that, hope you guys all have a good day, and probably see you again tomorrow. Bye.